Folks, in this video, we want to discuss how we can integrate Shadcn, a beautiful UI library component, in our Vite plus React project. So this is our doc section of this Shadcn UI library, which helps to make more beautiful and better website by enabling a good user interface experience. First of all, you have to go to the installation process, choose a framework. I'm going to use Vite plus React, so you can choose whatever you want to use. Suppose you are using next.js, you can go to click on this section. I will go for Vite plus React, so let's click this. Just we have to follow these all steps, then we can able to integrate Shadcn beautiful UI library in our React project. So first of all, let's copy this, then type the title of your Vite project, React. I will select a variant as a JavaScript, React plus JS. You can use whatever you want to use. Suppose you want to use TypeScript, go for TypeScript. Let's click enter, cd current directory, setcn, npm install. That means you will install all dependency required by this project. So let's wait 10 to 20 seconds. After that, we have to configure tailwind.css in our Vite project. This is the installation process. cdn tailwind CLI with, so copy this. I will go for npm. Yeah, it's got added into your project. So let's, so third step is to edit tsconfig.json file. So we are currently using React plus JavaScript, so just we have to make one file instead of ts, just make one jsconfig.json. Let me show you how to make. Select the folder of your project, click on new file, text is instead of t, erase t and write j. Yeah, we are all set to go. Then copy this snippet, paste under this jsconfig.json, and we have to update with .config.ts. Terminal section, hit enter, wait until it build. Yeah, added. Let's copy this code, paste under with.config. Then run CLI setcn UI init command to set up your project. So basically this command will helps you to integrate and install the all dependency of setcn UI library. Let's add, go for npm, enter. So as you can see, it's asking some basic question. This one. So would you like to use TypeScript? No. Enter. Default. Enter. Enter. So where is your global CSS file? So it means our global CSS file is index.css. Yeah, this one. Erase the old default code. Give source index.css. Hit enter. Yes, yes, yes. Good. It's showing that it's installing dependencies. Yeah, success. We finally got success message. Project initialization completed. You may now add components. Let's go to the doc section. That's it. You can now start adding some beautiful UI components in your Vite plus React project. So let's go and add. So first of all, let's add button. Go for npm. Hit enter. Installing button component. You will see directly in this folder. Once installation push done, let me show you. Yeah, under this you can get this is the button.jsx. So let's add this section. This code .jsx. Remove the default code. You can just remove it. No, remove this also. Just paste copied code here and now just this one. Insert the, yeah, this one. And just run npm run build. Let's see. Npm run dev. Yeah, finally we can see on our screen that we have finally successfully integrated Shadcn UI library component. This is a button component in our React project successfully. So guys and folks, if you have any queries regarding this video, how to integrate Shadcn UI library component in your React project, do let me know in comment section. I will help it to help you. Happy coding. So this one, let me give some CSS. Yeah, it's finally responsive. Okay. You can also see some hover effect on this. So we are good to go now. Okay, bye bye.